the previous performance of gold over the last week, and possible scenarios how gold is going to move in the coming week. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's dive into it. Yeah, so we can see that gold for the majority of last week traded within this falling channel, which I've indicated here. It stayed very close within that channel, and you can see it was just pretty much going up and down within the range of that channel for the most of last week. Now, personally, I expected gold to buy and to buy massively last week, but that was not the case. You win some, you lose some, right? But we have another opportunity for that this week. First of all, I would like to say that because of the situation in the Middle East, Israel and Iran, what's going on right now, there's that possibility, there's that tendency for investors to rush to gold as a safe haven to hedge against whatever the possible outcomes might be. That has been a typical pattern over the years. Whenever there's a breakout of a conflict, um, investors typically rush to gold. And with the US involvement in that in the last 24 hours, definitely, there should be a surge in the prices of gold. I expect gold to open next week very strongly, and it could push gold even higher. Now, typically, we don't do this in investment live. We don't rely so much on technical analysis. I'm sorry, fundamental analysis. But in this case, it's worth pointing out. We'll make it an exception this time around, and we'll keep a close eye on the fundamentals while we also monitor the technicals. So, yeah, if we get a strong break from this downward channel, then our first target will be the upper channel, the upper limit of this rising wedge, which is maybe somewhere around 450 or possibly higher. Now, if we get a clean break of this zone here, then in the next few weeks, few months, we should get another all-time high on gold. Uh, Possibly above 3.5. Now, if you get a rejection around this area, then the next target will still be the lower zone of this rising wedge. Yeah, so those are the likely scenarios we are looking out for. We can also see that there was a resistance uh, by gold on the lower channel of the rising wedge. Sorry. So there was a resistance here as well. So there's a confluence of resistance which has rejected gold, the price of gold. Now, what we want to see is a break of this uh, upper limit of the channel, and that should usher in um, more buys on gold. So that's what we expect to see on gold. If it breaks this zone next week, then definitely it's going to push higher towards 3,450 and possibly higher. Should it break this, then it's going to continue going upwards. But if it slows down around here and turns back, then we'll look at this zone next before gold goes any higher. So that's our analysis for the week. We try to keep it shorter these days. My videos have been shorter these days, not to go into too much explanation. So basically, that's it. That's what we're looking out for in the week ahead. So I wish you guys a happy trading week. Take care. Bye bye.